Yogesh Wadwana from DWG Designs, Milind Pai from Milind Pai Architects, Mihir
Mihir.
Professor from 4D Dimensions. Welcome to Trend Talk with Treasure Casa, sir. So I am really glad that you took out your valuable time today and you are here with us. So, sir, I would like to understand from you guys that what do you think about themes, trends, designs internationally?
So I think post COVID, it has all been about the overall well-being. So it's not specific to a particular theme or a particular design language. It's what suits you, and that's what you want to be around, and that's what the trend is all about.
So today, if I see there is a lot of wabi sabi, what do you think? How long this wabi sabi theme will be continuing?
Well, any trend, I mean, for the past few years, you have been seeing that any trend would probably last for maybe 2 years, 3 years tops, and then it starts degenerating into something else, connected obviously, but then evolves into something else.
So, what is the biggest challenge that you face as a designer today? So, how do you think we can help you? How do you overcome that challenges?
भाई को कोई challenge नहीं है.
That yep, it's such an interesting question, and I sometimes feel that all the challenges in the world have been thrown at me only.
हाँ, कुछ भी.
No, seriously. Okay,
सो वो चैलेंजेस उसी को दिया जाता है जो आराम से हैंडल कर सकता है.
so you guys have been working in and out, and everybody. One fellow comes with you with a four bedroom all kitchen apartment, okay, and asks you that he wants 4 kitchens in this. So wouldn't you be stunned?
हाँ, you will.
No, it is absolutely rubbishly impractical. Okay. So I am coming to we need to understand the needs of a client and then design. The client has its own problems or the way of life, and we have to try and adapt to it. So that meeting made me realize that the client was not wrong. So he needed 4. So one kitchen was for everyday cooking. The second kitchen where he would cook for the god. So separate fridge, separate platform, everything, okay? So then from that room to one room, je khali Bhagwan no chhe. So when food goes from here to that,
Nobody sees it, nobody touches it.
को तो ठंडा हो जाएगा. तो I want a microwave, I want a platform, I want a sink there. In the room. So timber room ma one more pantry. And when you are doing all this, so when when the time is not proper for the woman, so she would not enter any of the places. She need the pantry of her own. So do pantry and do kitchen. And I did make this house, and the client is forever mine. You know.
तो इसके लिए आपको ऐसा डाले जाता.
I would love to visit this one to see.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. भगवान को माइक्रोवेव का फूड भी चलता है.
I would like to understand if you want to build your own dream home, what concept or what tonality will you use?
Honestly, I'll tell you, I've seen so many of my friends doing the fab houses for themselves, but personally, the existing house is a very basic minimal theme, and after doing so many projects and working on so many themes, what really gives me satisfaction for my own house is the minimal feel. I really like to come home and get that feel of a relaxed thing and not what I've been doing throughout the day. And there are people who actually come to my house and they tell me, Milind, I want to come and sit in your house for 1 hour. And I said, क्या है मीन्स? बोले नहीं तू मत आना घर पे, मैं खाली आके बैठूंगा. बोले तेरे घर पे आके I feel so nice and I feel so, like fresh. So one of my friend comes to Mumbai, he has to go to Vasai, he actually does that. And he tells me, I just feel so nice, I don't know what is it about your house. So, and that is exactly what,
So you have good work.
I'm actually doing up my new house all over again. But I'm still very much confident that I'm going to still do same minimal style in new house.
सर तो हमें कब बुला रहे हो कॉफी पे?
हाँ मैन, कभी भी आपको तो हमारे घर में अरे आपको देखो अम्मा हमारा है. हाँ यार आपको तो पार्टिसिपेट करना है हमारे नए घर में. Treasure is going to supply furniture to us, by the way. Yeah.
Yeah. Special, sir. Now, my last question is for all three of you. Since you have worked with us, I want to understand your view that how is your experience with Treasure Casa? How was your collaboration with Treasure Casa?
You guys are very prompt, enterprising, innovative as well. Something that you would want to look up to when you want to have that one shop stop. So that's what it is. And accessible, more important.
Thank you, sir. It means a lot.
So, Miss, I also known Pratik for a very, very long time. And I've always seen that guy, he never relaxes. He wants to actually get the best. And once I think he's really got something good, he's still going for it. I know he's gone through health problems and he overworks himself. At time I have told him, why don't you relax? No, इतना काम क्यों कर रहा है? But वो आदमी चुप नहीं बैठने वाला है. Yeah. He is just a charged and fired person. He wants to keep doing new things, and no, he is not never satisfied with what he has done. And today, actually, where he has reached now, is I think in a very amazing space now. And I mean, very few people I meet like that who you just don't give up. They always want to do something better and better every day. So yeah, this I think philosophies come to Treasure Casa basically.
For me, anything starts with the stomach, it's me. तब से पहले when I go to the store, I tell this woman कि भाई मेरे लिए कुछ मंगा के रखा ना था. So the first thing starts. So it is very, very informal. It's like a house to me. Whenever I visit the place, I come to that looking forward to a lot of fresh stuff. It keeps on changing. The style is never the same. It has never become stale. So I get to see, understand, look, buy a lot of stuff, and luckily the maximum time I've come to you is the client is somewhere else, and I've just picked up things for him. So that liberty I get a lot,
You guys are like family now, but it
Yes, absolutely. I love that. I love that.
That's true.
was great to have you guys
Thank you, Vaiva.
or design.
There are very less people that in the industry or in the shops where we call them for the first name, So Mansi is
One of
one of them.